Partsbreakers.com, 303-666-9020. Our legacy name is Jeeps Unlimited. That's what we have been since 1984. Listing a 76 to 83 Jeep CJ5 tub. Yeah, I haven't washed it at all. It's actually fairly clean as far as that, not needing a good wash. I'll do that before we ship it. But I will show you, it's lifted in the air at the moment, so I'm gonna show you the bottom first and then go from there. So first and foremost, this little torque pocket, which goes to your frame, that one's good, threads are good. This one needs to be extracted. Good chunk of there, or you can just pull these. They're actually pretty easy to get into. But we like to show them just as they are. The lip is good. The under the rocker is nice. Got a little dirt up in there, but nothing much. Starting to get here, and I'll show this more when I get it down in a second. So don't think I'm not gonna show that. That area up through there, nice and solid, clean. Corner, nice and smooth, nothing all the way through, which is good. So all that on the front we seen just briefly there was all surface. This is all nice, clean up through here. Starting to get a little rust in the seams through these areas, but still a very usable, workable tub. Here, starting to see a little bit, but not bad. Torque pocket, good. This is your side one, passenger side. Middle one there, good. And then front one there, good. Coming over to this side, driver's side, front, good. And this guy here, where'd he go? This guy, that's okay there, not broken. And then got this guy here, that one's decent too. See the floor here starting to eat out a little bit on that driver's side. Starting to get a little bit. Kevin, will you see what this guy needs? I'm just right in the middle of the video. Sam can help him if need be. Channel there looks good. Little bit here. This is going towards the back, kind of this back where it starts squaring up towards your rear cargo area. But still, seams are real clean. I mean, this is a very good, for what it is, and these fives are getting really hard to find. So a lot of surface stuff going on. Definitely want to get this stuff out of it. But not much of this goes all the way through. And this is on the underside. This is all real clean through here, nice clean through here. All this looks good here. Up in this area, nice and smooth, so nothing through here. If we look at the other side here in a moment, this is nothing, rust comes all the way through. A little bit on the lip of that guy. This is on that bar. This is a square, kind of a pocketed area. You start seeing those torque pockets in this one as well. There, and then there's nice and clean. That one's good there. So pretty solid under here, actually. A little bit better than I thought it was gonna be. So let me lower her down and show you the top side. Oh, Jake, you might have to do this. Trying to do this two hands or one hand isn't very easy. Okay, so we'll talk about the back. Just get it, well, where I can see in it's good. So back here, this is where you're starting to see needs a little bit of repair work there. Somebody's kind of went in and cleaned a lot of this up already. A little bit of cracking up towards this area here, okay? And then again, a little bit of surface through here, but not much through and through. This is all real clean. Starting to get, you can see where they kind of went through it. And you can see a little bit of filler in these areas, which is kind of typical for factory. It's probably pretty good there. And brand new, some people never did it. Some people sent these, well, dealerships would get them and immediately go through them, lather them up, and work out. They had a little waviness to them oftentimes, so they would smooth them out, put a little filler in them. That could be what this is. This could be repair work from before. The corners are solid and straight, so I would assume that's probably what it was just from the beginning. But definitely want you to know about it and all. So nice clean through here. This is good. Got some filler in this area. And this could have been actually just from whoever started it, actually, now that I'm looking at it more. Somebody might have started filling it in and sanding it out and started filling in more. Because that's what we got, somebody started this project and then just did not end up finishing it. So, okay, so that's all that. I'll go to the driver's side. Couple areas, same thing there. Couple down through here. A little bit starting right there. Up to the cowl area. which is really clean. He's always rust out on them. It's got nice clean all the way through. Got a bolt kind of pulled up there a little bit. Cowl area is nice, smooth round, no hail damage, no dings. A little bit of clear coat peeling off, a lot of clear coat peeling off. Definitely gonna need some there. And then corners, a little bit of more oxidized, maybe a little surface through here, but nothing through and through. Firewall, I think I showed this already, but that's clean. It's got some surface on it where bare metal showed up. And yeah, seams here. This is starting to flake up pretty good here. So the bottom is fine. That top lip is definitely getting there. So, okay. And broken bolt there. So I want to pull that guy out. Floors. That's looked like it's been patched at one time. They did a pretty good job. It was, as we've seen underneath. But they might either redo it or I don't know. I think that actually pretty clean. You probably clean that up a little bit. And a little bit of more patchwork looks like they did through here. Who knows why? Because again, the underside. So they got a couple things that they've done on this guy. I see a couple patches. So those might have been areas they fixed before. And those are going to be hidden for the most part, but you could definitely get in there and do those a little better. Actually, I don't know. That looks. Yeah, these are panels that looks like they put in. This is pretty good though. I like this. Some of that stuff over there, but here back through here where your roll bar is, these are solid, which is really common to rust out there. So, and it could have been they had a roll bar. It looks like they might have even had a roll bar mounted up here maybe. So floor's good, nothing wavy, nothing real heavy back there. Usually if they get overloaded, they get weighted down. Internal area up through your firewall, nice and clean tunnels, real smooth, right? So I'm gonna say it's a B tub. It does have a fair amount of little body stuff on it throughout it, but definitely not an A, but definitely not a C either, definitely usable. So we'll price it accordingly to that. These things, a B tub and a CJ5 won't stick around. They're very hard to get, B's and A's. So if you see this thing on YouTube or on our site, you can at least call us and give us a deposit, and we can at least hold it for you for a couple weeks if it takes you a little bit to get everything down on it. Otherwise, we can get payment on it, and we crate these when we ship them and get it out to you. It takes about a week to go out. We usually are about a week out on getting one crated up, so about 2 weeks and you can have something in your hands. So I appreciate all your time. I'll get some photos of the top here in just a second. 303-666-9020, partsbreakers.com. Thanks for your time.